Hi everyone, welcome to my first video about C programming. I'm gonna be talking about walkthrough in all of my video because walkthrough is very important technique when it comes to reading code, and it helps you to improve your burns finding, or also known as errors findings 50% faster. So the requirements when it comes to walkthrough is you have to understand the syntax. So C programming is a very old language, and there's a lot of videos and also tutorial videos and books of how to understand the syntax. So you can use this video or book to understand the syntax first, and then you use the walkthrough as a way to remember and to apply your knowledge. What you need for walkthrough is a paper. I'm gonna use Excel as a paper, a compiler output, and also a code. So in real life you don't have the compilers, but I will use a compiler as a way to demonstrate the output, and it's easier to understand the code faster. So we begin by creating the variable from the code into the paper. So we have the function main, the type of the variable name, and the address of the variable. So we begin with the form by integers, so 0, 0, 0.004, and then we create the contents. First thing, everything is gonna be garbage. It's not empty, but it's gonna be a garbage inside. That means we cannot use this. C, and the 0, 0 is gonna be time 4 times 2 is equal to 8. It's also begin with garbage, and we also have a float D, and this one we're gonna increases equal to 12, and this one is also equal to garbage, and the float, the last one, is gonna be F, and this one had the values of 14, 16, and it's also garbage. It's first one. So we create the variable, and now we go to this line. That means everything happened in here is gonna store in the value 8. So we have to know the operations or orders. So as we know, the multiply is gonna be first, so 6 times 2 is equal to 12. So 6 times 2 equal to 12, and then 12 plus 8 is gonna be equal to 20. So 20 minus 12 is gonna be 8. So A we're gonna store its value 8. So we're gonna change this one to be A, And for C, we see that is equal to 5. That means we initialize it to be 5. So we can put 5 here, and everything here is gonna be garbage the same because we haven't done anything. So we're gonna see that A is equal to 8, and for C we're gonna do the math by 9 times 98 plus 6 is equal to 104, and then we also do plus 5 into the 104 because of the plus equal size. So that means it's gonna be 109 for the value C. So we're gonna change this one to 109, and for A it's gonna keep the same, and this one's gonna be the same, also the same. So the output gonna be 8 and 109 as we see in our paper.